I don't know. I love my black men, yo. Africans preferably, but you know.
So, you boss, as we would say in Jamaica.
I don't think so.
You don't think you're boss yet?
No.
Round, 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 round and round. Shake that ass, make it touch the ground.
I was paralyzed, but I'm still breathing. Me not stop trying until me get that flying. Me not stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings, blessed love and greetings. Good day, good day, good day. Blessed Sunday, Solomon at gun day. You don't know a lion foot. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, give thanks to another day, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks to life. Anyone there, you know, love and blessings, you know. That's it. Right now, I'm there at Travel Rest, football. I got referee and look at summer tournament, you know. Yeah, man, big up Ball Roll tournament. Yes, I look at summer league were organized by Naro and the crew. You see me I say? So big up all of the team them, you see me? Yeah, can't remember the team them off the top of my head now, but I don't know. Yeah, Brother FC, Promoters, FC, Sydenham FC, Santos, and you know, yeah, can't remember some of the teams them, but yeah, a good look. Last week, this week are the last set of games and finals. See, so, yeah, man, big up on yourself. Anyway, in this vlog here, Buju Banton, Long Walk to Freedom, part 2 in America. They look like it's slap where we are showing a little snippet of that. Spice and Naro link up back. Good look, you know, yeah. Something have to be the bigger person and bygones with bygones, and you know, no one is too big to say sorry, is it? Also, Jada Kingdom on the stage with Winford, she said, she don't feel like she boss yet. You know, she's still searching for that big girl. Really? Jada Kingdom said she not boss yet? And also she said she want an African one. But Jada Kingdom broke my heart. I will check say, yo, me never have a chance with her, you know. Lord Jesus. You know, big up on yourself. That's how they all the time. Big up Jada Kingdom, yeah. Yeah. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, and please go check out my single. Please, I beg you. Now stop trying. See? We need a blind, we need piece of the pie and the music thing too, you see me? Yeah, man, so big up on yourself, yeah.
I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers got a hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. So first and foremost, watch a little snippet of Buju Banton. Is it? Yeah.
You will never come back to the United States of America. And I said to them, let's see what God will do. All rises in the sun, they want to run down, want to declare in the words that they are not satisfied, even though I'm tired. I'm tired of promises that I'm not to stay white. But look again, dance back outside, down there, anticipate, burn in your spine. Don't you hold on.
Ja, no, a good look, you know. Yeah, man, big up the Gargamel, you know. But Gargamel did this time behind bars and chop a road, and people are saying, can't go back to America, done, right off. And yeah, Buju say, people say, I couldn't come back, and he said, I could see my father got a say. You see me? And yeah, I don't know. We can't show the full footage because copyright and strike and everything there, but big up Buju Banton and all of the fans them who turn out to support. One of dead in the dash away, you know, so Buju Banton back in America, America style, doing what he does best, is performing and entertaining the fans them. Since I let me know what I think about that. Is it? Now Naro and Ari link up. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so look, Spice post and Naro them post as well, the fix. So Spice is gonna be on the fix Monday. Again, one of them the dash away. Never right off, you know? Yeah, so.
Round, round, round and round. Shake that ass, make it touch the ground.
Ooh, hot. You want and try to shake that ass for me. If money you attack, I like. I turn up on you.
Can look out for that podcast there. I think the fix them are doing a great job. And they are evolving as you know, journalists and going around interviewing people. artists and, you know, yeah. So I look forward to see that and maybe apology on camera, you know? Yeah, but I don't know Spicy tell Naro about his mother, which was very disrespectful. I made it bash her too, even though I support her, I'm a bash her. Speak! You know, I'm an opinionated person. You know what I mean? I like to give my views on topics, but they don't have to agree with me. You know what I mean? But yeah, big up Spice, big up Naro. That's a good, damn good look. I hear Spice, things fix. So them fix things pan the fix. Yeah, see it? Yeah, man, a good look that. Now Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom was on stage. I watched on stage this morning. Big up Winford. You know what I mean? Big up. You know what I mean? The whole team. That's it. Yeah. So Jada Kingdom says she not boss it. When you can go over there, go watch the full interview, you know. You see me? Jason, big up yourself too, yeah. So hear what Jada say.
How did it move your career from where it was prior to its release to where it is now?
Well, it's still picking up.
Jada Kingdom, the thing sound like she not sure of herself. Still picking up? No, sir. Jada a big artist to me.
So,
you know?
your boss, as we would say in Jamaica.
I don't think so.
You don't think you're boss yet?
No. The song boss, yeah.
But you're not boss yet?
Me not boss yet.
Why do you say
The
that?
song boss, but me not boss yet.
Jada says she not boss really. People tell me, say, my boss. And me I say, yo, more on the boss. People say, your boss, man, I just forget the acknowledgement there. But I understand what Jada Kingdom I say still. But Jada Kingdom, boss, well, enough people know about Jada Kingdom, man. Well, you see me? Remember, say Jada Kingdom got it with Steph London and, you know, but, you see me? I understand what she says still, but Jada Kingdom boss, man. You see me? Next thing she says she want a black, strong black man, African.
I don't have any kids.
Yeah, and for the future, are you looking at having kids?
Yeah, I love babies. I want like 8 kids.
You want 8?
I want 8 kids.
Jada Kingdom want 8 kids. I wonder when she decide to start. I do still too late.
With my husband.
You want to give
yeah, I want to
birth
get married.
to 8?
8 kids. I want married to a husband, my nice black African man.
I wonder how some man feel you know when they hear this. We have the boys from Jada Kingdom. Yo, Jada Kingdom want African, not Jamaican.
Oh, that's who you're looking for?
Yep. Yes,
An African?
definitely. African.
Or a black man?
African.
He has to be an African?
Has to be Nigerian.
Come on, Nigerian?
I don't care.
When they hear Jada Kingdom not care, she want African and it has to be a Nigerian. I wonder why she love Nigerian man, sir.
I'm joking. I don't know. I love my black men, yo. Africans preferably, but you know.
Okay. All right, sounds good. We get a little bit of confidence. That gives me a little bit of confidence here because sometimes women are still interested in us black men, especially Jamaican
you guys
men.
are very important and very necessary. Trust me.
Yes.
Come like Winford, shocked when she says, Winford says, what about our Jamaica? Jada Kingdom say, yeah, Jada Kingdom says she want a strong black African man, Nigerian. Come like Jada Kingdom have her eyes on a Nigerian man. Well, I don't know. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. You think some Jamaican man who have eyes on Jada Kingdom are broke, you know, man? Yeah, man, them just get let down, turn down. You see, but I don't know nothing wrong. You know, you see, each of their own and everybody have them choice. You know what I mean? One race. We say unity, equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, you know? So Jada Kingdom want an African man. That's her choice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. For Lion Foot, don't forget to like and share the content. See it? Go shots.
Don't stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Don't stop trying. Until the day I die.
Yeah, man. Words of inspiration coming from I and Marek, you know?